Hello everyone, it is me, Mary, and I am here today to do a Birchbox unboxing for you. Normally I do these on camera and do swatches and everything of that nature. I just don't feel well enough to do that whole setup yet. But I did want to share this with you. Now, if you wanted to check out my May box and also my May kbeihce, you can check my Instagram at Deals by Mary. It is a personal Instagram. It is not a couponing Instagram, so it's just my stuff being me. So you'll find literally everything there. Okay, so here we go. This is the actual box for this month. And what Birchbox is, it's pretty neat. It's a beauty subscription service, or basically a box subscription service. I get this one, and I also get kbeihce, and I do pay for these, so I'm not being paid to do these videos. I don't get these for free. I pay 10 bucks a month for these, and I really enjoy them. Now, I know there's the Target and Walmart boxes, but I get those items for free basically anyways with couponing, so I just don't pay for those. Now, something that I really do like about these here is sometimes we get a lot of different types of items. I've received pretty much, well, a lot of different brands, guys, from Too Faced to, just anything you can think of. You'll find the different brands and you get to try the items prior to making the investment. So I really do like this. If you want to join, you can just go to birchbox.com and join. If you want to use my link, I'll include it below. You'll probably get a different perk by using my link, but either way you want to do it, go ahead and do it. It's fun. You can cancel it anytime. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out. So here's the actual piece of paper. Every single month you're going to receive this with a different box, and it's going to tell you all the items. So the first thing we see here is it says Face the Day, and it says summer's so close we can almost taste it. And we want this box to make you feel it. It's kind of funny that it's summertime for a lot of people. I literally woke up the other day and it was 49 degrees here in Maine. Yep, it's still that cold. Okay, the first thing that I received here, if I can get it to focus, and I know I haven't done my nails, guys. I do my own nails, but the vibration where I have the large incision, it does not feel well, and I'm not going to do anything to make me feel uncomfortable or in pain just to have something look pretty. It's not worth it to me. So the Wish Body Butter, I use the actual shaving cream. I have the lavender, which lavender normally works very badly for me because I get real bad migraines, but I love the actual shaving cream in lavender. I use that. I got it from Ulta, I believe. Anyway, so we have the Wish Body Butter here, and this is in almond. So it says it moisturizes, firms, and purifies. So pretty excited about this. I have so much lotion. I have a store on Poshmark, and I always give away free little gifts when I make sales. So this may go to somebody as a freebie, but we'll see. It is almond, and I love almonds. I like to eat almonds, but I like to eat a lot of stuff. So, okay, so the next thing that we have here is the Balance Me. This is a Instant Lift Primer. So it says it's 99% natural. You guys may or may not know, I'm a real big skincare junkie, and when it comes to my face, I'm very picky on what goes on my face. I don't like to damage my skin. So I like primers, I like the concept of facial products, but I don't use that many facial products. I do use a lot of eye and lip products though. However, this brand does have an under eye concealer. I received it not too long ago, and I actually have it in my purse. It works pretty well. I don't use it often, but I do like the brand. So this is 99% natural Instant Lift Primer. I will probably be giving this away. And the reason would only be because I have my YSL, and I have a Becca that I like as well if I use it, but pretty neat. I'm pretty excited about this one. I know it'll make somebody really happy. Okay, so the next thing here, it says chlorine. So it kind of sounds like chlorine, right? It's probably pronounced differently. I'm probably saying it wrong, but it's for ages 3 and up. It is a blonde shampoo, and that's something neat about Birchbox. You get to put in, like for me, I am blonde. I have green eyes, and I have medium to fair skin. So this really came well for me, and I did say that I like hair products. So as it says it reflects blonde highlights or blondes, and it is for 3 and up. And it came with a conditioner as well. Pretty cool. Okay, so the next thing I have here is going to be the Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is the Stay in Place makeup. So I really like this one. I actually own this. Let me see the color. Hold on one second. It is in 2-in-1 Desert Beige. So very good color there for me. So I'm really excited about that. So as you can see, Estee Lauder, wonderful, wonderful brand. Great product. Okay, the next one, I need to open this. Hold on one second, guys. So this right here is a blush duo. So what I like about this is that it has a cream and it also has a powder. And I really like those reflecting particles there, guys. Now, I'm not going to swatch this for you because I will be giving this away, but I really, really enjoy this. And I think a lot of people can get nervous with creams, and some people are so loyal to creams that they don't want to try powder. So here you get to try both. So there is the Blush Duo. And there's all the information. So it is Papaya Don't Preach, and it is from the Beauty Crop, I guess it is, .com. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this here. So we have the Balance Me Instant Lift Primer. The full size is $31.50. So see what I'm talking about? You get to try it before you buy it. So really good deal there. The Estee Lauder, this is a very nice product. I would definitely, try it out. Anyway, so it's $39.50 for the full size. The Chlorane, which I'm probably saying incorrectly, sorry about that. The Chamomile Shampoo is $15 full size. The conditioner is $20 full size. And the blush here, full size, is $10. That is very awesome, guys. I don't know how this works, how well it works, but if you've tried it, let me know, because $10 is an amazing price. Okay, and the Three Wishes Body Butter here in Almond, the full size is $18. So that's a wonderful box. I'm very excited with it. I will probably never leave Birchbox. I just love Birchbox and Ipsy. It's like my little gift to myself every month. Okay, guys, what did you get? What was your favorite? My favorite, probably a number 1, number 2, number 3, and all these would be my, let's just mix them all together. And this was bonus because there was actually 6 items, so really cool. All right, y'all have a good one, and talk to you soon.